Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Unplanned Way. Today we will be showing you around the finest convention and exhibition center in India. Welcome to the Jio World Convention Centre. Jio World Centre is located in the heart of Mumbai, the Bandra Kurla Complex, making it easily accessible. You can reach here by the well-connected public transport or private cabs. The parking area is huge and convenient. You'll have to pay for parking depending on the time you spend here. Jio World Convention Centre is India's foremost venue for best-in-class exhibitions, conventions, meetings, and social events. The highly flexible and dynamic venues are equipped to host physical, virtual, and hybrid events simultaneously. At each entrance of the convention center, there are four magnificent handcrafted chandeliers inspired by earth, fire, air, and water, which are considered sacred elements in the Indian philosophy. The convention center is huge with a total size of about 7 million square feet. It has exhibition halls, convention halls, meeting rooms, and a ballroom. The Jio World Center is about 12 times as large as a FIFA football field and 10.3 times the size of the Empire State Building in New York. You will find events lined up at this venue every day. Make sure to check out their online schedule. Various types of events take place here, including industry trade shows, consumer shows, product launches, conferences and corporate events, press conferences, and public concerts, to list a few. At the Jio World Center, you get to check out the world's largest passenger elevator. It is the size of a studio apartment and weighs 16 tons and can carry over 200 people at a time between 5 floors. Its glass walls offer panoramic views, and there are two information screens inside that offer building news and updates. As you walk around the center, it is interesting to see the artwork and the artists beautifully engaged in creating the masterpieces. The concourses display mesmerizing and permanent art installations inspired by India's heritage and brought to life by world-renowned artists. Here, you can dive into a world of delightful flavors and enjoy an unparalleled experience at their world-class restaurants and cafes. It's truly a world full of possibilities. While you are here, don't miss out on attending the mesmerizing Fountain of Joy. This is an amazing experience and will leave you in awe. To know the details of how to book tickets and more, watch our Fountain of Joy video. It will be linked in the description box. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, please hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in our next video soon.